Assalamu alaikum Moroccan family. Today we are making the amazing and everyone's favorite mango dry fruit shake. A quick and simple recipe that's absolutely rich in flavor. So let's get started. In a blender, add 1 cup of mango chunks. Then add 5 to 7 soaked almonds, 5 to 7 soaked cashews, 2 dates, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, and 1 cup of milk. Blend everything together until smooth and creamy. Pour it into a glass and garnish with chopped nuts for extra crunch. And that's it, your delicious mango dry fruit shake is ready to enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit like and share and leave the thoughts in the comments below. Happy cooking and see you next time.